Hi, this is Eric Parts Actor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the vent seal on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new vent seal for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The vent seal is responsible for keeping moisture from entering the space between the inner and outer door panels. If the vent seal is damaged or cracked, it will need to be replaced. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. Since we will be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Twist the vent cover counterclockwise to remove it. If you can't remove it with your fingers, you may need to use pliers to help to grab onto it. Be careful not to damage the cover. Using a T15 Torx Bit, remove the 14 screws on the inner door panel. Then, gently lift the inner door panel. Note that when doing so for the first time, the sound insulation will tear as it is glued to the inner door panel. The vent seal is located here on the vent assembly. Lift the vent seal off the vent assembly. If you need to purchase a new vent seal, you can check out our website, partsactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you're getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the vent seal to the assembly and set into place. Press around the seal to make sure it is seated properly. Align the inner door panel to the outer door panel and set in place. Reinstall the screws in the door. Note that the 4 long screws go in the top middle 4 slots. Align the vent cover to the slot, then screw it in. Then close the dishwasher's door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.